So we're here in Stateston. Looked at this house a week and a half ago with an open house with my wife. Tried to convince her to buy it and she wouldn't listen to me. So we thought, let's do a vlog on it. And
hello,
I'm back.
welcome to 3591 Garry Street.
Oh, wow, thank you.
You can see their design is quite modern, very detail oriented, and their emphasis is on black fixturing.
This is where I would be washing my dog every day, like 6 times every time we take her for a walk. So perfect, we have a dog here. So I can actually, we can actually, you know, verify that this is a functional cleaning area. Huge selling feature. I'm in. It's like a, is this a tile?
Yeah,
Oh, interesting. It's kind of like,
but it has
like
a cement,
gloss to it, right?
the kind of an industrial
Unfinished.
look.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing about this house that I really love is what they've chosen for the light fixtures.
Mm-hmm.
They just have these unique things that I love.
I have not seen these light fixtures.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
this is kind of like, you know, you're in this modern hotel kind of bathroom look.
Right.
Yeah, it's great for guests, you know.
This one is like very Zen-ish.
I think maybe it's the aloe.
Definitely the aloe.
All their lights in their bathroom and stuff like that, they always have the backlights,
Right.
which I love.
So this staircase is definitely what caught my eye when I came in.
Yeah, and they're envisioning this as like a feature area. So you can just envision like a Christmas tree,
Right.
right? And then presents all over. So when you have guests over for the holidays, you know, everybody comes here and then they can look
Yeah,
at
it's a good space.
the
for it.
poinsettias and stuff like that.
I remember you telling me you've got a secret hidden door here.
Well,
It
yeah.
can look like it's a hidden door.
It's indoor. Okay, you have to let me out because
Alright.
there's the developers are still
I'll think about it.
doing that. It comes blood.
Ooh, look at that. Can you get out?
No. Fridge, and they've all chosen high-end kind of appliances.
Fisher PayCal for
Yeah,
pretty much
and
everything.
then
Oh, Bosch.
Bosch, yeah. And then the dishwasher is also Bosch. Fisher picked up for this one too.
And this lighting system, is it all the same line, like the same series, or is it actually
No. It's
individually chosen? Because
Yeah.
it looks like it's very seamless, like throughout, right? Like
Yes, but no, they're all different.
Okay.
And then I love this area here with the high
Me too.
ceilings, the 18-foot high ceilings, and then that unique light fixture. Yeah, these are all storage.
Is it like touch?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So the storage is just low key. So you might think there's not enough storage.
Oh yes.
But there is enough
You're
storage.
right. I didn't even think about that. You're
Yes,
right. There is
it's
a lot
just
of
low
storage.
key.
Right.
Yeah.
It's so clean that you don't really think, like, this is actually a ton of storage.
Yeah, it is a ton of storage.
For 2 people and a dog, we have this stuff that accumulates up to like 6 people, okay? So
Yeah, and I want to show you this area here. So this area, they're envisioning just using like this outdoor space to create like a little veranda style. So you can
Okay.
you can imagine
see
like
that.
in the morning having coffee with your wife
yeah.
here.
Because we do that. No, we really don't.
Wouldn't it? Now you can.
No, okay.
Let's go up.
Take it up.
If you kind of focus on this area here.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Yeah, I love this. Because at night I'm always stumbling to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
You know, can you?
We have some
We
meetings
have
out
some
here.
charcuterie plate,
Yeah.
right? And then we'll have some champagne
Yeah, some bubble tea.
and be like, "Welcome, Tony. Cheers." Give you some cheese and
Did you not have any prepared for me today?
I thought you were.
I'm
bringing
disappointed.
it. You were supposed to bring it.
I would definitely give my wife this office because that one's mine.
You just want the patio.
I want the patio.
champagne
It's
patio.
great. It's great. We spend a lot of time in the office.
Yeah.
Nice touch.
I mean-
added the skylight.
With the standalone bathtub, and then once again,
The black.
he's the black, right? And then
Have you tested it a few times?
I tried it to see it come out, and then I always like the option of having this because if you're washing like twice a day, 3 times a day, it might get a little excessive. Your skin gets really dry. Right?
You weren't kidding about the OCD,
Yeah.
You're serious about. This is different. I don't usually see a. That's what realtors do. We stand in showers.
We stand in showers together
and talk about real estate.
Yeah. Should we stand in the bathtub together?
Okay, let's not take you that well. We don't know each other that well. See, like our house is currently a north-south facing lot as well, but we literally have half the natural light coming in compared to something like that. So what do you think? I think it's a deal closer for him. All right, I think we're good.